Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the GUBERRY Women's Wrap V-Neck Sleeveless Sundress. If you're on the hunt for the perfect summer dress, you've come to the right place. The GUBERRY Women's Wrap V-Neck Sleeveless Sundress has been making waves as one of the top choices for summer fashion enthusiasts. Designed with a flattering wrap V-neck and a sleeveless cut, it combines style with comfort effortlessly. Crafted from a blend of 95% cotton and 5% spandex, this dress promises a soft and stretchy feel, perfect for all-day wear. It features two convenient side pockets, ideal for keeping your essentials close at hand. What sets this dress apart is its front pleats that add a touch of elegance, making it suitable for a variety of occasions from casual outings to beach vacations and even cocktail parties. Versatility is key with the GUBERRY dress. Pair it with sandals for a laid-back day look, or dress it up with heels for a more sophisticated evening ensemble. It's a wardrobe staple that transitions seamlessly from day to night. Maintaining this dress is a breeze. Simply machine wash it with care. Note that color variations may occur due to different monitor settings, ensuring each piece is uniquely yours. Stylish addition to any wardrobe. Whether you're lounging by the beach or attending a dinner date, this dress is sure to turn heads. That wraps up our review of the GUBERRY Women's Wrap V-Neck Sleeveless Sundress. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fashion reviews and tips. Until next time, stay stylish and stay tuned to Product Critique.